welcome back to my channel, everyone. Welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Thank you to everyone who's tuned into this video. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to do Lightroom and how to edit a picture. Yeah. So the first step I'm going to teach you is I'm gonna import. You can download this app through Play Store or any other network or an iPhone. So I'm gonna drag my photos from the gallery and import to Lightroom like you see right now. And then I'm gonna start going to light. Light is where exposure, construct, highlight, shadows, white and black are. So I'm gonna start with light. So with exposure, I'm gonna go ahead and edit. So it's gonna be +10, and then once I've like adjusted it to the right point, can you see as I'm moving, it goes like the lights just exposes even more. So with construct, I'm gonna do -3. So yeah, there it is. You are never really close to the number, but make sure you're maybe close to the number so that the luminance and everything is shown. So on highlights, I'm gonna go ahead and do -85. And shadows, I'm gonna go ahead and go for +46. Let's see, +46. And see, I'm close by. So, and whites, I'm gonna go ahead and go for +13. So as I'm moving, there are brushes that are improving or enhancing. So I think that's the most exciting part in editing, and I think I enjoy that part. So white is +13, and I'm trying to create a look where my face is a bit brighter, and the background is, it looks like I'm standing somewhere where I did a photo shoot at home. For black, I'm gonna go for -48. See, the brushes are enhancing and improving as I'm going. So after that, I'm gonna go to color. Color is temp, tint, and vibrant. So for temp, I'm gonna go for +16, mobile +14. Just to, you see, as I'm moving, it's making it gray and it's making it more yellow. So pay attention to the numbers when going forward or backwards. And then for tint, I think it stays the same. And for my vibrance, it's +4, and situation, it's +13. Yeah, situation is +12 or 13. So, and then I'm gonna change and go to another preset after I'm done with vibrance. I'm going to the hue now. We're going for red. So red, I'm gonna go hue +35. And the situation is gonna be +15. Thank you so much for everyone who's tuned into this video. I really appreciate the support. Please make sure you subscribe after seeing this video. So for luminance, I'm gonna go for -14 for luminance on red. So see, it gets better, and I need to move my brushes closer so that it does not seem like it's photoshopped or anything. And then we're gonna go to orange now. my orange for hue, it stays the same, and I change the saturation and the L. So the saturation, I think it's -11, and then for luminance it's -15. Yeah, -15. I'm trying to brighten the colors that are in the picture, so it's important for me for my luminance to take it into account when doing red, green, and other colors, so forth. So we're gonna go for yellow. Yellow, I'm gonna go for -81, saturation -100, luminance -40. And then I'm gonna go to green. For green, I'm gonna go for +39, and for saturation -100, for luminance -100. And then let's go for indigo. Indigo hue is -13, and then for saturation, okay, so for hue, I think I changed it because I didn't like the fact that it was just going so much. And then for saturation -100, and then for luminance -55. Sorry about that. And then yeah, let's go to violets. For violets, it's minus hue -100, and then for S, it's -25, or could be -100. For L, -50 something, 55. Yeah, I think so. And then we're gonna go now, once I'm done, to purple. So the last color that I'm going to go for is purple. The hue is -100. The saturation is -32. You can write these down while I'm doing, guys. I'm just making sure I don't make any mistakes as I have notes too. And then for luminance, I'm going to go for -100. So once I'm done with that, I'm happy with my picture, but then I do need to go to clarity for +22, +20, those variants, and then day haze. Day haze is for making your photo look so bright or like so dull. So day haze, I'm gonna go for +8. See, I do have presets, but then I don't like the presets on my Lightroom, so I'm gonna go ahead, and once I'm done with this picture, I'm gonna go ahead and create my own presets, so that whenever I edit a picture, I'm just gonna click on that preset, and then every setting on that preset is gonna apply to it. So I'm gonna name it YouTube tutorial, as I'm doing a tutorial, and then I'm gonna paste it and save it. Yeah, new preset added to user presets. So I'm gonna add another picture into Lightroom and then show you guys what I did. So nice, short and simple. Once I've taken the photo from the gallery and transferred it, it's not edited, so I'm gonna edit it or take the presets that I copied and pasted and paste it on this picture so that you guys can see, and it's much simpler for you guys to just keep your presets and then apply it whenever you need to. So I'm gonna go to the red three dots, manage presets. I'm gonna go to color and then user presets. There's it. YT tutorial. There it is, guys. So I applied it now. I'm so happy about it. But now I need to fix a few things, maybe like the red. Maybe the red could be too much, so let's just make it the red pop. And yeah, this is how people do the final tutorial on this. I like it. So I'm gonna fix the hues, then fix the saturation a bit. See, as I'm going. Okay, so now I like it a lot. Now that I have it like this, yeah, this is the final look. And fix the luminance to 37, or mine is 31. Okay, let's go lower. Mine is 18. Okay, so now I'm done. And yeah, I just need to save it to device, so it's exported. So yeah, once I've exported it, I'm happy with it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you, everyone. Please make sure you subscribe once you've seen this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.